Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, I know, we've been lacking lately with the uploads. Just, life is crazy right now. It's just a busy time for everybody right now. So, but I want to give you guys a quick update on the Supra and just all the stuff I have going on. That garage is a disaster at the moment. The Mustang, still here. These are all new parts, but they're not for that car. They're for this car. We're gonna talk about that in a second, but quick update on the Mustang. Engine's in, just finding the time. Car runs. Honestly, all I need to do is I gotta get the wheels for it. I sold the other wheels, so I already got the wheels. Just gotta get the tires put on, and I hadn't had the time to go put them on. So hopefully tomorrow, I'm gonna take them to the tire shop, leave them there, and just pick them up on the way home. And I'll be able to put the wheels in the car. And just get it out. I want to drive it before I even put the hood on or anything. I want to drive it, just make sure everything's all good. The car's running good, the engine sounds good, trans sounds good, everything's good so far. I have some codes there, but I think the car needs to be driven, and then and once all that's done, peace out. It's going. So I don't know who I'm gonna sell it to, but I ain't gonna bother even trying to sell it to, like, you know, personal. Whatever car company wants to buy it, they could get it. But anyways, guys, this video is for the Supra. Yes, the Supra, the new car that y'all really haven't seen much about it. But yes, I own. This is a 2020 GR Supra. This is the replacement to that car, and I decided this was what I wanted. After going back and forth with a lot of other cars, I said I wanted something completely different, completely new, and this is it. And it's honestly, it's a great car. But I want to show you guys a few updates I have. I have the parts. Look, I have the parts. Just waiting to one. I didn't want to install no new parts on this car until this car's gone, because if I start focusing on this car's gonna get ignored. And between a little bit of time I have to even work on cars right now, this car needs to be done. So that's why this car is 100% stock, and it's gonna stay like that till this car's out of the garage. So I told my wife that, so I gotta behave. So anyways, so let's go through some of the parts just to give you guys a quick update on the car, and hopefully within the next 2 weeks it should slow down a little bit for me at work, where I got the time to where I can actually start working on this thing. But what I got here, see, I got my springs. I got some H&Rs. These are the sports. They're not crazy low. I think they're like an inch and a half all the way around or something like that. So this is the same my friend Rob had on the Supra. I decided to go with the engine. One, I have it on the intake, and I think this one is the engine, and it has a charge pipe also too that goes into the throttle body. I don't know if you call it a charge pipe, but whatever. So this is a set. I know these things don't give you a ton of power, if they do any, but it give you nice little sucky turbo noises. And who doesn't like sucky turbo noises, really? Come on. So honestly, I really bought it for that. And the GTI over there, you see it? GTI has an engine, and it makes crazy awesome turbo noises. And I said this should make crazy awesome turbo noises, so why the hell not? So I went with the engine again. I got me a down pipe. See, a down pipe. All right, hold on. Oh, it's a pretty one too. So, see, it's not eBay one either. This is a let me get it. This is a Euro. They're called Euromotive Performance, and I like the way they was, because they didn't really reduce theirs at the ends where that flex pipe is welded onto. They went straight through all the way to 4-inch to where it connects here to 3-inch at the back end. So there's a lot of them were reducing at the flex pipe, and then would reduce again. And I really like the way this one looked, and they're a local Florida company, so I said, why not? And you know, it's empty in there. No, I can't be saying that these days. Gotta be careful what you post these days, boys and girls. Can't be saying those kind of things anymore. So it's nice and safe. EPA safe, all that crap. So I got this The strut bar, it's called Cusco. This is super light. Damn, this thing's light. Basically, the 2020s came with the 21s came with strut bars, but the 2020 didn't. And this is one of the, this is something I actually got from Rob. Rob got a new car, so his Supra is gone. So I was able to score some parts from his car. So I was able to score that. I was able to score the lip, which, God, I want to put that lip on that car, but I gotta behave. I gotta behave. So I was able to score the lip, and also I was able to score his exhaust, the remark exhaust. I'll give you a little clip. So you guys have an idea what it's gonna sound like, but I'm gonna have a downpipe. So I mean, I got the parts. Parts are here. I just don't have the time, but I'm gonna make the time. I'm gonna make the time for me because I want the parts on the car, and I'm gonna make the time for you. I'm gonna try to go every little bit forward with it. And he also, also in here, this one, I just got this one today. Kind of want to open it, and I kind of don't, but let's open it. Let's see what it is. So, see, I haven't opened it, I haven't touched it. Let's move some of this other crap. Yep, this garage is a disaster. I gotta get this car done. And heck, it's like, I got like money just sitting there. So, yeah, I need to get this car done. Or get to work on this Supra. Let's see what's in the box. What's in this box? Well, I know what's in the box, but I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box. Come on, damn it. Ooh. This stuff, see? There's something in there. I got double-sided tape. Double-sided tape is our friend. Oh man, come on. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What? More stuff. Ooh, it's light too. Maybe carbon fiber-ish. I don't know. Maybe. If I start this, it's gonna spread. It's already been started when I got the lip, so I said screw it. I love carbon fiber, guys, but I just feel once you start with one little piece on the car, it just, the whole car starts becoming just carbon fiber everything. And I like it. It's expensive. That's why one of the reasons I don't like it that much, but it does make the car look good. But I don't know. Honestly, it becomes a disease, and that spreads. So let's see. Let's see what's this. It's this. They should. Ooh. Ooh, do you see? Do you see? What could this be? Some of you already know. Y'all know what's up. All right. Well, let's see. This is the bottom, it looks like. All right. It's a wing. A lot of options for this car with a wing. There's not a ton. It's like 3 or 4. But this seems to be a pretty common one. And it kind of goes right there. Ooh, it has officially, y'all see it first. It is officially the first mod on the car. Right now, it just got put on. See? This special moment. Well, I should feel good right now. Let's take 5 seconds of silence. All right, we're good. So, first mod on the car, guys. Carbon fibre wing. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, this is an eBay special. 250 bucks. And it's actually pretty damn nice. I wanted this. There's a few that don't have this, or just kind of straight. And I wanted this one that had the little flares that came up. This is actually pretty damn nice. It's not better quality than I thought it would be. So I'm happy with it. It looks good. That was good as hell. No. Officially, first mod in the car. But I gotta take it back out because I gotta kind of stick it on. So, you guys were a part of it. I share, guys. I share. So, that's it, guys. I know it's a quick video on the car. Believe me, it's gonna happen, guys. We're gonna have some fun with this car. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this car. It's just a time in my life right now where I haven't been this busy at work in a long time, which is a good thing. Busy's good. Busy means everybody's happy, but also means I got no time for the fun things. But things should start slowing down here in the next couple weeks. So, all right, guys, there it is. Hope you guys like this video. I know it's not a crazy fun video, but we got some planned, guys. And also, Rob, I mentioned him before. He's got a new car, and it's a car that I know everybody knows about him, but I've really had any close interaction with him. So we're gonna have some fun with that car. He's got some mods coming for it, and it's cool. So I'll probably try to make a video with that car this week. So, damn, that wing look good. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So there it is. Let me know what you guys think about the new mods. I know they're not on the car yet, but they're gonna be on the car. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with this car, and I'm really excited. Yes, and the car's getting tuned. You know, I'm tuning this thing. So I'm not putting a downpipe on without a tune. So, all right, guys. So it's a lot of stuff going on in life, and I even got stuff I want to do the daily, because you know I still got the daily, and the Camaro. She just did a video today on it, so that car's faster than my car at the moment. We gotta fix that. So, damn it! Now I just want to put all that stuff in the car. So, nope, gotta be patient, gotta be good, gotta get this car gone. So, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about all these new mods that are going in the Supra. So, hope you guys stay safe out there. We'll see y'all later.